Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video I have laptop for upgrade SSD M2. This laptop model Asus X510U. Yes, for upgrade M2 it support SSD M2 SATA. Now I'm refresh brand Transcend 256 gigabyte. Okay, now let's see the video. Now I'm remove the screw from bottom cover laptop. Let's see. Please be careful for this step. Have a lot of many screw in the laptop. You can remove step by step. Yes. Let's see. You can follow my step video. I some step I uh, okay, sorry for that. This make it to time lapse for don't spend many time. I'm remove the bottom cover of the laptop, but it's stuck with two screw. You will see I'm put it out. Yeah, you can see this screw. Now I'm try to take the plastic it out and remove the screw, and now it's uh, uh, okay. Be careful for this step. It's so hard for your first time. Now I'm take the cover out and take the power battery cable from the board. This is a important step. Okay, now I'm finding the slot M2. Now, yes, you can see. Now I'm remove the screw. Okay. This is a hard disk drive. It make the computer is slow if you store Windows on this hard disk drive. Okay. Now this is a M2 SSD 256 gigabyte. Yes. Now I'm insert to the laptop. Yes, this brand is Transcend. Okay, after I insert it to the laptop, I need to test, make sure it know and support on the laptop. You can see after I insert it. Okay, now I've inserted into the laptop and grip it with the screw. If everyone use hard disk drive slow, you can replace it to SSD or M2 PCIe for store Windows, like this laptop. Before, this laptop is so slow, so I recommend you and everyone replace it to the SSD. Okay, now I'm check and make sure this SDM.2 is support this laptop. Okay, now you can see on BIOS page. Okay, this store. Look at the tab storage and need this. You can see TS256. Okay, now it's support. I'm turn it off and take the hard disk to the laptop again and take the cover laptop. Let follow my video, and the next step I need to install a new window and software to the laptop. Yes, but now let's see the time-lapse video about take the cover and move screw into the laptop bag. Yes. Okay, see, it is a time-lapse. For everyone to support me, I request you leave your subscribe and follow, like my video, please. Thank you for your subscribe me. On this video, I apologize you for my English pronunciation and my title, for because my English is not good. Yes, I hope everyone enjoy and get a solution. Okay, now I use this flash for install a new window. For boot, you can press S8 or S8, sorry, S8 on the keyboard, or you can press escape on the keyboard. But I'm tested before. Sorry. Okay, now it select the USB flash drive. Yes. For the next step, I'm escape and let's see the finish step. I install some software like Microsoft Office, Google Chrome, Adobe Acrobat, Dictionary, WinRAR, Adobe Photoshop, and some social media. So thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.